This is Chef Maika and welcome to Just Maika Cooking. Don't forget to subscribe. Get full recipes and cooking tips at justmaikacooking.com. We are going to make a quick pasta with fresh basil and sun-dried tomatoes. This was a quick pasta I decided to make at home with whatever I had on hand, and I used one pot to do everything. So you're going to take your favorite pasta and throw it into some salted boiled water and cook it to al dente. And since we're using the same pan, we're going to go ahead and wipe it clean with a clean paper towel or kitchen towel. Then I added some seasoned chickpeas that I found at Trader Joe's, and I use this all the time and it's so delicious. It has cumin, parsley, lemon juice. It's very flavorful and goes well with a lot of different cuisines. And then I added some sun-dried tomatoes and sliced fresh garlic. So what you want to do is actually let it sit and just let the oil that already came in the can to fry up the chickpeas. So you're basically trying to get that caramelization going on to add a boost of flavor. And now the next step was adding my favorite Calabrian chili peppers. It is so flavorful and it just gives that extra heat that you need. But it keeps everything super simple. Add back the pasta. I got some fresh basil from my garden. And all of it was tossed together. Super simple in one pan. And make sure you add salt to your preference. Now remember, a simple rule about pasta is to keep it simple. Try not to add more than 3 different ingredients. And always finish it off with some delicious cheese, like pecorino or Parmesan cheese. And the greatest way to add cheese to your pasta is to use a cheese grater. It's better than that pre-shredded stuff that has a starchy coating on it that you do not want to have in your pasta. For one thing, it doesn't melt well. And ta-da! There we have it. A super simple pasta dish that you will love to make, because I did enjoy it very much. And I hope you do too. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more great videos.